Hey all my creatives, I'm Tiffany with Artisan-Preneur, and as some of you may know, this year I'm focusing on a different color every month, and this month the color is black. So I hope you enjoy the making of black number 1. So I know I haven't created a video yet that shows you guys how I prep my paints before a piece, but just to let you know, it takes me about 30 to 60 minutes to actually do the prep work, and in order to get the consistency that I want, depending on the piece that I'm doing, I add either just water or just Floetrol, or I add both. So I know it looks like I'm not adding enough paint to the outside or the perimeter of that design, but the reason why I did that is because there is a lot of paint sitting in the middle of that canvas, and so I know that a lot of that is going to interact with the white paint that I'm adding right now, and so that's the reason why I'm not adding a ton of paint around the design. Alright guys, this is the finished piece. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments, because it's actually one of the first times that I've used the dustpan method, and I think it came out pretty well. As always, thank you all for watching my video, and if you want to learn more about the color black and how you can use it in your home decor, click the link down in the description to read my blog post, The Color Black. Also, if you want more ideas on how you can use this color and my artwork in your home, follow me on Instagram at Artisan-Preneur. Again, thank you all for watching, and don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and if you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, stay creative.